Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to turn off email notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app after the latest update. If you're tired of your inbox filling up with alerts every time someone likes or follows you, this quick guide will help you stop those emails for good. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the home screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several icons and options. Find and click on Notifications. This is where all your alert settings are kept, including those sneaky email notifications. Once you're inside the Notifications section, look toward the top right corner for the Settings option. Click on it. This will open a new page where you can control what kinds of notifications you get and how they're delivered. Next, select Preferences. This is the area where you can customize your overall notification experience. Under Preferences, you'll find a category named Email Notifications. Click on it to open a list of all the types of email updates the platform sends you, from mentions and retweets to follower updates and activity summaries. Now for the main part. You'll see a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable email notifications altogether. To stop getting emails completely, simply turn this switch off. The change saves automatically, so there's no need to look for a save button. Once turned off, you'll no longer receive those extra notifications in your email inbox. And that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications from X on your PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your digital life a lot cleaner and less distracting. From now on, you can check your updates directly in the app whenever you want without having your inbox flooded. If this helped you, remember to share it with others and make sure your settings are always up to date with any new X updates.